I'm Aaron Gabrielson. I'm a Senior Project Manager for Redmond Incorporated here in Heber City, Utah. Redmond is a company that's been in business since the 1950s. Started out as a salt mining company with a couple of brothers that started that, and has expanded out to many different entrepreneurial ventures, including table salt, fencing company, health food stores. It's a company that is built around the idea that we want to elevate the human experience for everyone, make your life better, and including for the employees that work here. We are growing steadily and rapidly, and so that creates a lot of challenges for our IT department. We have a small staff that has to support multiple locations, multiple market segments from retail, wholesale, manufacturing, across a wide area. And so it's created some good challenges for us. We had stitched together our WAN across our multiple sites, not everywhere, but in key locations. And that equipment that we've been using was getting to its end of life. And so we were looking at what we were going to start moving to next. At Redmond, we run central IT infrastructure in our data center here at our main corporate headquarters in Utah in Heber City. So all the other locations connect in and pull data from there, including voice. So we run a unified communication system to all our sites from a central location. So having great voice quality between all those sites to run one overlaid unified communication system across multiple WAN sites is kind of a challenge. The other one is remote desktop and virtual desktops. Those are very real-time, time-sensitive applications that need, once again, really good, smooth performance for the end user so they don't notice that the server they're connecting to is hundreds of miles away. So having a solution that would help us provide that great user experience at a low cost was why we were looking. So we have used and looked at Tulare, Ipanema, Silver Peak, Riverbed, all those major players. And like I said, they all pretty much are built around that same model of high upfront cost, high support costs, difficulty to manage sometimes. In comparison, we had our VeloCloud running in literally 30 minutes. So the cost, time of just the simplicity and the ease of use in getting this up and running was orders of magnitude easier and cheaper than anything we'd ever seen with any of these other providers. The nice thing about the VeloCloud is as soon as you plug it into the internet, immediately it starts talking to the cloud management service. So with other providers, it seems like typically you have to find a way to connect into the box directly. So this one talks to the cloud, and then we can manage everything from the cloud now. We can actually send these boxes out to another location, and like we have in other spots, we just mail it to them, and they literally just plug it in to the internet connection, and from there we can manage everything from there. We don't have to be on site, we don't have to find a way to poke holes in firewalls and connect in directly. We can just do everything from the cloud. So manageability was great. VeloCloud basically is fully PCI 3.0 compliant, which means that all the encryption, the roles, authentication, all the standards are met for PCI compliance. So that's one less thing for the IT staff to have to worry about. The reason why I recommend VeloCloud to everyone that I meet is because it creates a very powerful WAN infrastructure that's highly reliable, gives users great experience, great performance. At the same time, it does it at very low cost and extremely easy to manage. And those things have made just our lives a lot better in our IT shop.